Hey everyone, this week we've got a couple early 80s sports cars. The first one is a 1982 280ZX Turbo. This is actually a JDM version. This would be known as a Fair Lady. You could also tell it's JDM by the mirrors. This is by Otto. This of course is resin, which means nothing opens. This is a real must-have for me because I pretty much have every other Z car dating back from the 240. This comes in a blue and silver US version, or this is the JDM version in black and silver. This is a right-hand drive. The paint detailing is a little rough. It's hard to do some of these mass jobs neatly. A little bit of a wobble there in the painting on the A-pillar. Otto isn't exactly known for perfect quality control. We got the T-tops. This was not exactly a universally loved car. After the 240Z, they got kind of just bigger and fatter and bigger and fatter, but I think with things like Radwood, we're starting to embrace cars like these more. This is car number 264 to 300. Retail is like something silly like 169-ish because it's a Kyosho box usually. This I got at Mint Models, I think, on sale for about $90, and at that price I'm not mad at it. The next one is a Triumph TR7. Again, this is resin. This is by BOS Models. The colors are pretty unappealing. Gold on tan, but kind of neat subject matter. I think another brand or two might make similar subject matter. I think Cult Scale Models does something similar. Interior detail is pretty good. The side windows are a little sketchy as I knock off one of the mirrors. Ignore that. The mirrors, BOS has a way of giving you mirrors to actually put on yourself. A little chintzy, but I guess it's better than breaking off. But the side windows are kind of weird. They kind of bow in. I doubt the real car does that, but paint quality is actually very good. Again, resin, nothing opens. This is, let's see, car number 109 out of 504. This retails for $129. I think I got this for about $60 on sale. I think this came from Modelissimo, one of the German sites. Packaging, really boring stuff. The same typical BOS box with nothing to see. A black automobile box. Again, nothing really of interest there. I don't know what's going on in terms of viewership because I'm pretty down this month. I don't know if it's coronavirus, if everyone's like scared to touch their computers, but hopefully things pick back up because people seem to be liking the content. So tune in next week. I think we've got a few more pairs in queue because I keep on buying cars because sales are good right now. So tune in, like, and subscribe. Have a good one.